Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can sign into your Proton Mail account. So the first thing that you will have to do is ensure that you're on the right Proton Mail website. So go ahead and look for account.proton.me/mail and you will be redirected here. So once you're here, what you will have to do is you will just have to enter your credentials, and then of course you will have to type your email address and password carefully. And after that, you will just have to click this checkbox right here, which is keep me signed in if you would want ProtonMail to keep you signed into your web browser. But if you don't want, then you don't have to check this checkbox. So once you're done with your credentials, you will just have to click sign in to fully log into your account, and you might be asked to also fill out or enter your 2FA code if you did enable it. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an amazing day.